An artificial heart is an advanced biomedical machine created to assume the role of a damaged or failing human heart, either for short-term stabilization or, in certain cases, as a long-lasting replacement. This innovation has emerged as a critical therapeutic option for patients suffering from terminal heart failure and other serious cardiovascular conditions. Its fundamental role is to simulate the mechanical pumping function of the heart's lower chambers, ensuring a steady supply of oxygenated blood to all organs and tissues. A major clinical application of artificial heart technology is its use as a temporary life-sustaining measure known as a bridge to transplantation for individuals with critical cardiac failure who are awaiting a suitable donor organ. The artificial heart provides continuous circulatory assistance. By maintaining adequate blood flow, it preserves organ viability and keeps patients stable until transplantation becomes possible. One of the most established devices in this field is the total artificial heart TH, which completely substitutes both ventricles of a natural heart. This system is specifically intended for patients experiencing advanced biventricular dysfunction, where both the right and left sides of the heart are incapable of pumping blood efficiently. In such cases, the TH functions as a vital support system, delivering the circulation required to sustain life. A notable recent achievement in this area involved the successful implantation of a titanium-based artificial heart in a 57-year-old patient with severe cardiac failure. Utilizing magnetic levitation technology, this device was developed through a collaboration between Vivacure and the Texas Heart Institute. The Vivacure Total Artificial Heart is engineered to enhance durability while minimizing blood cell damage and mechanical friction. As a bridge to transplant intervention, the patient was able to breathe without assistance and resume walking within days of the procedure while remaining on the donor waiting list. In another major development, European health authorities authorized the commercial use of the first fully artificial heart produced by the French company Carmat. This biocompatible system, constructed from silicone materials and designed to closely resemble the natural human heart, is intended for patients with irreversible cardiac failure awaiting transplantation. The Carmat artificial heart operates using a novel chamber-based pumping mechanism, which helps overcome several limitations associated with traditional mechanical circulatory devices. Together, these advancements represent a transformative step in cardiac medicine, offering promising solutions to the global scarcity of donor hearts and addressing the rapidly increasing prevalence of cardiovascular disease worldwide. This video is presented by Ghulam Farooque, Pakistan's first AI technologist to integrate artificial intelligence in medical, engineering, and technology education. The visualization you are watching is generated using advanced AI-powered high-tech systems. Subscribe to Medicallogy for more AI-driven medical and technological revolutions.